My producer friend Max wanted me to come in today and show off my Tesla to Ted.
You know my producer, Max Weiler, he thought it was a wonderful idea to have you ride around in an electric car, knowing I hate them.
It sounds like a Max move.
It
We
does,
also
man.
work with him at Sim Realty. I know.
Really?
I know.
Oh, God.
I know.
You know what I like about Max?
What?
Nothing.
Yeah. I have some more positive things to say.
He got me to ride around in another testicle, or Tesla, whatever you want to call it. I call them testicles.
I mean, this feels like a reward for you, riding around in a Tesla.
What?
Oh, the best cars.
Yeah, I hate them.
I love my Tesla.
I don't know why. I like the Bentley.
That's such an old-fashioned car.
I'm an old guy. I love the Bentley.
That's true. It's weird, this guy's a car guy and he doesn't know anything about Teslas. He's not really a car guy, I guess. He's an old car guy, literally.
Is it running now?
It is. It's super quiet.
You know, you take a beefed up Chevy, and it'll sit there, and you want to hear that. That's part of the thrill.
It's almost like being in a spaceship.
I wish my producer would be this quiet. I wouldn't want to ride around in his testicle. But you like it, so that...
I do like it. I mean, I do real estate, so I drive a lot of miles in this vehicle.
And people see you in this?
They do. I drive them around in it.
You're not embarrassed?
No. I get so many comments on my Tesla.
It might be comments because you're a very pretty lady and they're being nice to you while they're uncomfortable riding around in the testicle.
You think? I don't know about that. He told me he thought his Rolls Royce was quieter. I'd take that challenge any day of the week. Look at this map functionality.
it's so nice.
You know exactly where you are.
Yeah. So does my Rolls Royce.
So quiet.
Tells you everywhere. It's quieter.
No way.
And it's classy.
It is not quieter. You cannot make that case.
Well, I hear this ground on this car more than I hear in the Rolls Royce 10 times over. This is loud. Rolls Royce is quiet, comfortable.
Is there like ambient music playing to offset it, or you think it's just higher up?
It's 50s rock and roll.
Oh, so your music is just louder. That's what it is. You're probably a little dizzy right now from how fast this vehicle is moving.
I don't know what impresses you about this car. You know, it's funny. The only thing faster than a Tesla Plaid is how fast the owner brings it up in conversation.
They're fast. They're the fastest production car.
Well, that's good that they're fast. That way you don't have to be seen in it. The testicle itself is one of the ugliest cars I've ever seen. Humpback, ugly car.
What?
Ugly, ugly car.
I mean, I will say, unless it's like a Ferrari or Maserati, I personally...
Or Rolls Royce or Cadillac or anything.
I don't find them that attractive. They have a very like bulky design. They have weird paint colors.
Big.
Yeah.
No.
I mean, I will say I don't like the Cybertruck Tesla.
So about the testicle Cybertruck?
Yeah, that one. I will agree with you on that.
It's interesting. It's better looking than this. This sedan does not look nearly as cool as that.
Apparently, it's illegal in Europe to drive the Cybertruck.
Really?
Yeah, because of the grading on the side of the car. It's like a hazard for pedestrians.
It's a hazard to be seen in it. See, you know, there's so many of these testicles riding around, and they all look the same. Do you ever lose your car in a parking lot?
Actually, I have before.
I figured that.
Yeah. If that ever happens, they have the feature where you can call it and it'll just come to you.
I have that with my wife.
Oh.
Does the car ever aggravate you?
No.
Not my wife. So Amber, what was your first car? It has to have been better than this.
You're probably gonna like my first car because it was a gas guzzler.
Good.
It was a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a Hemi engine.
A Honey engine.
Hemi.
Oh, Hemi, okay. Yeah, that's where the Hemi makes it a real car.
8 miles per the gallon. Mine was
Good.
reliable. I didn't have any issues with it.
So you didn't drive it. The only thing more flexible than a Jeep's axles is the owner's definition of reliable.
The only problem I had with mine is that it couldn't pass a gas station.
I got a joke for that too. You want to hear it?
Sure.
Why did the Tesla break up with the gas station?
Why?
It needed space and a charging station.
You know this thing's self-driving.
No! Put your hands on the freaking wheel. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that.
Oh wait, it is working.
Don't stop.
It is working.
gotta stop.
Amber took her hands off the wheel. I said, don't do that. Put your hands back on the wheel because I don't want to die. I'm happy.
You're gonna wind up whacking this car into somebody, and then you're gonna be so.
Wow, I didn't even know I had it activated.
Oh, I hate this.
Do you not trust technology, Ted?
No, I don't. Do you know how to turn this self-driving thing
I
off?
do.
Well, turn it off.
Okay, fine. There's a rumor going around that you're not the safest of drivers, Ted.
You know, Max has a big mouth. You know that?
That he does.
Yes, good. As long as you know.
We agree on that.
Yeah.
My insurance company would probably be much happier if I have a self-driving car. I know for a fact they'd be dancing in the street.
6 crashes in 18 months isn't terrible, is it?
You still have your license?
I just got one for my dog.
Oh.
I don't really drive that much anymore. I let my wife drive me around.
Women tend to be better drivers.
I don't think that at all.
So you know they're planning to make these just complete self-driving, so you don't even have to worry about maintaining your license.
You don't seem to understand, okay? I don't like this car.
Not yet.
At all. No,
Not yet.
It's ugly. It looks like some beetle driving down the road. It's ugly.
Have you driven one yet?
Yeah. It was so exciting.
Amber was very nice. She took me for a ride in the car. She was more than helpful, and my opinion has not changed. I don't like them, the testicles.
This was a very nice ride,
Oh.
and I'm still very unimpressed with this
Oh, wow.
testicle.
We didn't change your mind?
No.
I could sell this all day long, but with someone like Ted, I don't think I sold him today on a new vehicle.
If I had any real estate dealings in Florida, I'd be confident to have the Sims represent me. And I know them, and I respect them.
You know, I've got a lot of friends and fans that want to come to Miami and find a place. I will be happy to turn you on to those people.
Don't forget me.
No,
yeah.
I will not. How could I forget you?
Despite the vehicle, you know.
Lovely woman driving a testicle. I've
Are
never
you-
seen that before.